The test of negligence is whether the defendant in doing the alleged negligent act used the reasonable care and caution which an ordinary person would have used in the same situation. If the law or contract does not state the diligence which is to be observed in the performance of the obligation, the debtor must observe the diligence of a good father of a family. Article 1170. Those who in the performance of their obligations are guilty of fraud, negligence, or delay, and those who in any manner contravene the tenor thereof are liable for damages. Thus, it has been held that when the negligence of a person concurs with an act of God in producing a loss, such person is not exempt from liability by showing that the immediate cause of the damage was the act of God. To be exempt from liability for loss because of an act of God, he must be free from any previous negligence or misconduct by which the loss or damages may have been occasioned. If upon the happening of a fortuitous event or an act of God, there concurs a corresponding fraud, negligence, delay, or violation, or contravention in any manner of the tenor of the obligation as provided for in Article 1170 of the Civil Code, which results in the loss of damage, the obligor cannot escape liability. In this case, NPC was undoubtedly negligent because it opened the spillway gates of the Angat Dam only at the height of Typhoon Welming, when it knew very well that it was safer to have opened the same gradually and earlier, as it was also undeniable that NPC knew of the coming typhoon at least 4 days before it actually struck. Thus, NPC cannot escape liability. 1A2S 8891 Rodriguez and RCPI entered into a contract whereby for a fee RCPI undertook to send the respondent's message overseas. When, therefore, Rodriguez paid RCPI to deliver his message overseas by telegram, RCPI obligated itself to transmit the messages to addresses. Clearly, RCPI ran on its obligation when it failed to deliver the messages or to inform the sender about the non-delivery, thus making it liable for RCPI cannot escape liability by attributing negligence to Globe Mackay. Parenthetically, RCPI cannot escape liability for damages by passing off the blame for negligence to Globe Mackay. It has an interconnecting agreement with Globe Mackay. RCPI receives messages for overseas destinations and conduct its businesses to transmit foreign messages only through Globe Mackay. To allow it to escape liability for damages by attributing sole negligence to Globe Mackay, for the expedient reason that it had already delivered the messages to the latter, would deprive the general public availing of the services of RCPI of an effective and adequate remedy. RCPI should exercise due diligence to ascertain that messages are delivered or provide system or informing sender in case of non-delivery. Legazpi Oil versus CA 224S213 Definition of fraud. In general, fraud may be defined as the voluntary execution of a wrongful act or willful commission, knowing and intending the effects which naturally and necessarily arise from such act or commission. The fraud referred to in Article 1170 is the deliberate and intentional evasion of the normal fulfillment of obligation. It is distinguished from negligence by the presence of deliberate intent, which is lacking in the conduct of private respondent clearly manifests his deliberate fraudulent intent to evade his contractual obligation for the price of fraud.